Hey, it's Roman. The question I've been asked a lot from different people is that do you really need to know math to start software development? And I would like to talk about this. Do you really need it? And if yes, what type of the math you will need and when? And this is my personal perspective, so some people could agree, some people could disagree. So the question is, do I need to know math to start software development? And the question is, no, you don't need it to start. I think that happened due to a stereotype of the connection between math and the computer science, that in order to be a good software developer, you need to know math. And I cannot fully agree or disagree with this statement. However, you can start doing software development in specific areas without math. Well, of course, you need to understand arithmetics, but I would say you need to learn it for your personal life first. And you need to know binary mathematics, as during coding you'll need to write a lot of the conditions to follow your code to a specific path. But you definitely can start doing programming without knowing, for example, calculus or statistics. Why and where advanced math is needed? For example, you want to apply for a computer science degree to have a solid foundation for software development, and we'll talk about this in the next video. But one thing about understanding math is to build logical chains, which is crucial for software development in general. Plus, you should know that some areas of software development requires more advanced stuff to know. For example, if you want to write game engines or 2D or 3D graphical applications, you definitely need to know trigonometry or linear algebra, or if you decide to go to machine learning, you need to be proficient with calculus, statistics, probability theory, etc. You can say that some of the things are already implemented in libraries and you can just take in and use them. However, you won't achieve good results without understanding what actually happens under the hood and what theories these libraries are implementing. For example, you're a mobile developer and you're working on some online shopping application, which in most cases won't require you to know some advanced math topics. But if you want, for example, to write an AR application, it will be very hard to do it with knowledge of arithmetics only. So, to sum up, now we don't need to be proficient with the math in order to start being a software developer. However, you will need it if you want to go for the challenging and the complex tasks, as most of them require advanced math and computer science background. But you can always start software development and learn all of these things in parallel once you get your first results. It shouldn't be a blocker for you to switch to software development path. I hope you enjoyed this video, and let me know if you have any questions below and what's your experience with using math, and see you next time. Bye!